Hello everyone. We talked about announcement and we've been talking about low touch and high touch and medium touch, of course, with your students. So here's an example of minor changes you can do to actually move your announcement from low touch to high touch. This is example 1. Next week is your midterm, very structured, very matter of fact, no feeling. Now, here's an example of high touch. So I'm going to right now take this and show you why this is important. So, hi everyone, next week, remember I've been also talking about reusing some of the material you use. So the reason why I put in the date and I highlight it in yellow so that it tells me next time I need to change the date. Next week is your, next week, April 26th, your midterm. I know this is a busy time. Notice now you're acknowledging student schedule. You're acknowledging what they have. Scheduling a Zoom meeting this Thursday, 6 to 8. I would also put in date here so that they know there's no mix-up. Again, highlight it in yellow so you know this needs to be changed. You told them that it's going to be recorded. Here we have in the Zoom session, I would highly recommend you put in a link here. Again, highlight it in yellow so that you know you're providing the correct information. So if this is good, now all you need to do, you created a video for your students. You can be on camera talking to them. You created an accessible announcement because it's written so the students are seeing it. You're also reading it as it is. It should take you about 2-3 minutes because you're saving this. Save it under midterm. So you can say midterm reminder ENC 1101. Or if you teach several courses, you can have actually the same one, the same announcement for all your students. You can just vary the date or just have 2-3 hours and your students. So if you teach ENC 1101 and ENC or English 101 and English 102, creative writing, and American literature, you can have the same one, but maybe have 2 hours. So notice that accessible, you are doing high touch because you're talking to your students, you're acknowledging, you're creating your presence because you're telling your students that I'm here, I acknowledge your busy schedule, I'm available to answer live question. Those 6 to 8, they can be for all the classes. You can also ask them, make it mandatory to email the question. This way the students have had a chance to look at the material and think about their question so they come more prepared to hear the answer. Hopefully this is helpful. If you have any question, let me know in the comments.